for an epic journey of entertainment, laughter, and knowledge. Are you ready? Let's start!
Hey, I haven't seen you there before. Are you new? Yes, I started 2 weeks ago. I see. What's your name? Boo Boo. That's a nice name. Why are you working here? You seem young. You should be in college, not whipping force. I was in college, but I had to leave. I couldn't pay the fees anymore. I tried, but no one helped. Uncle, the owner, he gave me the job. He said if I work in the house, I can stay in the servant room. Wait, so you live here too? Just because you work here? Yes, I don't have anyone. No mother, no father. No one to ask for help. I needed a roof and food, so I accepted. Even if it means doing everything silently. That's really hard. You don't deserve this. You look so calm, but inside you must be carrying so much pain. I don't think about it anymore. If I think, I cry. So I just do what I am told. I clean, I cook, I stay quiet. That's enough for now. And you left your college just like that? Didn't anyone from your college try to help? No. When you are poor, people forget you quickly. They say sorry, but no one pays your fees. Games are for people who have someone behind them. I don't, so I stopped dreaming. But you still deserve better than this. You are not invisible, Boo Boo. Not to me. Thank you. But don't say that. People don't stay. They feel bad for a moment and then forget. I won't forget, Boo Boo. I won't forget you. And I am not like the others.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel for more.